This is our database and this is our data table. So let's check our data first, how it looks like. We limit the results to 10 rows. Let's check it now. Okay, this is our data table and we have 12 columns here. We see some problems here, like the date format under call timestamp is month, date, then year. But in SQL, we need year first, then month, and then date. We need to change that. And in 11th column, the name of the column contains spaces. We need to rename that. And in the 4th column, there are some blank values. We need to fix that too. So now in step number 2, let's check the data types now. Explain, then we'll write the database name dot the data table name. Now let's check the result. Okay, the problem we found are the CSAT score is a number, but this is a character data type here. We will change this data type, and in the call timestamp we know this is a date, but the data type is in character now. We need to change that too. Okay, so let's convert the date format first. So our step number 3 is change the date format. To do this, first of all, we need to disable the SQL safe updates. This is optional, but this is safety. SQL safe updates equal to 0. Now we update our table name, and we set the column name call timestamp equal to str to date parenthesis, the column name again call timestamp, and the format we have month / day / year. Okay, fine. Now enable the SQL safe updates again. Copy this code and change the value 0 to 1. Now let's check this value. Okay, we have an error here. Now it will work. Yeah, it worked. Let's check our data table again. We limit the results to 10 rows. Let's check it. Yes, the date format is now year, month, and day. Now step number 4, we are going to fix the data types issues. We have to change the data types as date for call timestamp and CSAT score as integer value. So alter table or table name, then modify column, and column name is call timestamp. We put the data type date. Okay, another row now. Alter table name, CC data, then modify column, column name is CSAT score, and we put the data type integer to visit. Let's check. Okay, the data type is successfully updated. Now let's check the data types again. Explain our database name dot our data table name. This is the updated data types. All data types are now correct. Now step number 5, let's rename the 11th column name, which was call duration in minutes. First of all, check the data table again. This is the row name, call duration in minutes. We are going to change this name. So we alter our table name cc data. Now change the column call duration in minutes, and the new name of this column will be cd in a minute. Okay, the data type will be integer, 2-digit and not null. Okay, go. The column head is successfully updated. Let's check it. Okay, the new name of the column is now cd in min. Now step number 6, we are going to fix the blank values in the 4th column. We will replace those 0 values with null. So again, let's disable the SQL safe updates. SQL safe updates equal to 0. Now update our data table and set our column name cset score equal to null, where cset score is equal to 0. Now again enable the SQL safe updates, copy this code and change the value 1. Okay, successfully updated. Let's check it now. All the blank values are now replaced with null. Okay, now we are going to check for duplicates value. Let's select count everything as row number from our data table cc data. So we have 32,941 total row number. Now let's check the unique row number for ID and customer name. Select count distinct ID and count for distinct customer name. Let's check it. Okay, both of them have 32,941 rows, so we don't have any duplicate values here. So our data is ready for the analysis now. So our next analysis steps is the operators called the customer for various reasons. So let's count how many calls they made for each reason. We need to calculate the percentage too. So select reason, count everything, and we round up the percentage. So round count everything divided by into 100, and we round up with one digit. Let's fix the parenthesis as percentage from CC data, and we will group by reason. Okay, let's check it now. So we got the highest percentage for billing question reason, and it's 71.2%. Now step number 9, we find out which day has most calls. So select day name, the column name as day of call, now count everything as number of calls, from table CC data, and we will group by 1, that means day name, this value, day of call, and we order by the count value, that means number of calls. Let's check the output. So we clearly see Friday has most of the calls and Sunday has less amount of call. Now step number 10, we will find out the minimum, maximum and average call duration. So select minimum, the column name is cd in min, as minimum duration, and max function for the column cd in min as maximum duration. Now average, we round the average value, so run function, then average for the column cd min, and for the round up value 1 as average duration. From our data table CC data. Okay, check the result. We got minimum duration is 5 minutes, maximum duration is 45, and average duration is 25 minutes. Now we are going to analyze the customer's sentiments for the sentiment column. Select sentiment, and count everything from our data table. Group by sentiment, order by total count, which is 2, means count everything. Okay, let's check it. Okay, we found the negative sentiments are high comparing to the positive sentiments. Very positive sentiments is very low. Now, step number 12 and last step, checking how many calls are within, below or above the service for each calls. So select call center, then response time, and count everything as counts. From data table CC data. Now we group by 1 and 2, that means call center and response time, and order by 1, 3, that means call center and counts. Let's check the result. We found the number of calls which are within, below or above the service for each call center, like Baltimore, within service, below service and above service. That's it. Done our data analysis second project. The dataset download link and the project details link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.